Does the thought of traveling make you feel excited, but maybe also a little anxious? If you're over 60, trust me, you're definitely not alone. Many of my clients tell me things like, "Ken, I love the idea of traveling, but what if something goes wrong? How do I handle airports, flights, or cruise ships at my age? Or even, is traveling even worth the stress and worry anymore?" Look, travel anxiety is a real thing, and it can keep you from creating wonderful memories. Memories you've earned after years of working and planning for retirement. But here's the good news. Travel anxiety is absolutely something you can manage, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Today, I'll share my best senior-specific tips to help you prepare for your trip, reduce worry, and feel completely confident every step of the way. By the end of this video, you'll feel ready, maybe even excited to plan that dream vacation you deserve without the stress. And before we dive in, please take just a second to subscribe. I have many more videos planned, all packed with tips and advice specifically tailored to senior travelers like us to help make your next adventure smooth, comfortable, and anxiety-free. Ready to travel with peace of mind? Let's get started. Tip number 1, give yourself extra time. Let's face it, rushing through airports or feeling pressured by tight schedules isn't fun at any age, but especially at ours. My first golden rule, always build extra time into your itinerary. Arrive early at the airport, give yourself longer layovers, and don't cram too many activities into one day. When you slow things down, your stress melts away and your comfort skyrockets. Tip number 2, pre-plan your essentials. I tell my senior clients all the time, planning ahead can be your best friend. Book your tickets early, pick comfortable seating options, and double-check hotel accessibility or special requests like ground floor rooms. And a quick bonus tip, always organize your travel documents, like passports, prescriptions, and insurance info, in a single folder that stays right by your side. Trust me, knowing you have everything ready dramatically cuts anxiety. Tip number 3, choose senior-friendly travel options. Some travel styles naturally reduce anxiety. Cruises and guided tours, for example, handle all logistics for you, meals, transportation, entertainment, so you can just relax and enjoy. If traveling independently feels overwhelming, start with a cruise or a senior-focused tour. You get social connections built right in, plus professional support whenever you need it. Tip number 4, ensure your peace of mind. If worries about health or money are keeping you awake at night, travel insurance is your new best friend. Choose a policy that covers trip cancellations, medical expenses, and emergencies. Knowing you're protected financially and medically can turn travel worries into travel excitement. Tip number 5, communicate your needs clearly. There's absolutely no shame in requesting help or accommodations during your trip. Most airlines, hotels, and tour operators gladly provide wheelchair assistance, special dietary options, or help carrying your luggage. Just ask in advance. Being clear and proactive about your needs will help you feel in control and well cared for every step of the way. Tip number 6, keep your travel pace comfortable. I always remind clients it's a vacation, not a marathon. Pace yourself, schedule rest breaks, enjoy leisurely meals, and don't hesitate to skip an activity or two if you need downtime. Remember, your comfort matters more than checking every box on the itinerary. You'll enjoy your trip more, and your body will thank you. If you're thinking about taking your first European cruise in years, you might feel overwhelmed by airports, connections, and unfamiliar cities. But by following these tips, building in extra time, booking a cruise designed specifically for seniors, clearly organizing all your travel essentials, and arranging airport assistance, you can set yourself up for a stress-free vacation. You'll come home glowing, having had exactly the kind of relaxing, memorable trip you've been dreaming about. And let me tell you, nothing feels better than experiencing travel without the stress. All right, now before we get into the final 4 tips, let's quickly hear from our customer service manager around here. He's furry, he's charming, and he claims he's the brains behind our operation. Over to you, Max.
Cheers, Ken. Yes, travelers, it's Max here, your favorite cruise-savvy canine. Now, do you see that delightful little QR code on your screen? Yes, that peculiar square thing. Give it a quick scan. Trust me, it's totally paw-friendly. This takes you right to our easy-peasy Where to Next survey. Here's how it works. You spend about 2 minutes, roughly the time it takes to enjoy a good biscuit, telling us exactly how you love to travel, your dream destinations, and what makes a perfect vacation for you. And Ken, my personal assistant and ear-scratching expert, will then personally tailor travel recommendations that fit you like a glove. Or in my case, a very stylish collar. Plus, between you and me, filling out the form could even land you a chance to win a free vacation. Not bad for a minute or two of your day, is it? Go ahead, scan it. I promise, it's easier than chasing your tail.
Thanks, Max. See what I have to deal with around here? In all seriousness, I completely understand how overwhelming travel can feel after 60. That's exactly why I'm here, to personally help you plan your next vacation in a way that's comfortable, safe, and completely stress-free. All right, here are our final 4 tips that'll further squash your travel anxiety and make your next trip smooth as silk. Tip number 7, breeze through airport security. Seriously, if airports stress you out, get TSA PreCheck or another trusted traveler program. You'll skip those long security lines, keep your shoes on, and cruise through checkpoints. We have a video that covers everything you need to know about TSA PreCheck and other trusted traveler programs. Definitely check it out. Tip number 8, traveling with pets. If you're bringing your furry friend along, it can be stressful figuring out how that works. No worries, we've got you covered. Watch our dedicated video, where Max himself gives you the complete rundown on stress-free pet travel tips. Tip number 9, pick the right credit card for travel. Money worries can really add to your anxiety, but choosing the right travel credit card can help protect your finances and offer valuable travel perks. We've made a simple, senior-friendly video explaining exactly which travel credit cards are best for you, so you'll travel smarter and with less worry. Tip number 10, choose the right travel group. Finally, traveling with the right group makes a huge difference in reducing stress. We created a video specifically helping seniors decide how to choose a travel group, whether that's a cruise, guided tour, or solo trip. Remember, I'm here for you every step of the way. Check out these videos, and don't hesitate to call me directly if you have any questions at 689-229-9724. It's always my pleasure to help you plan stress-free travels.